everyone! Today, we're going to talk about the delicious and nutritious world of homemade almond milk. This versatile beverage is not only a great alternative to dairy milk, but it's also a vegan option and an excellent source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Almond milk is made by grinding almonds and extracting the almond milk through a process called mashing. The almonds are rich in healthy fats like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also a great source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. One of the best things about homemade almond milk is its versatility. You can use it in various recipes such as smoothies, puddings, and even coffee drinks. It can also be used as a base for lattes and cappuccinos, giving them a creamy and smooth flavor. To make homemade almond milk, you'll need almonds, water, and a food processor or a blender. Simply place the almonds and water in the food processor or blender and blend until you get the desired consistency. You can adjust the thickness by adding a little more or less water. There are a few tips to keep in mind while making almond milk at home. First, make sure to use fresh, ripe almonds. Second, make sure to properly clean and dry the almonds before grinding them. This will help prevent any bitter flavors or off flavors from coming out. Lastly, always store your homemade almond milk in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It can be stored for up to a week, but it's best to consume it within a few days. In conclusion, homemade almond milk is a delicious and nutritious option for those who are looking to avoid dairy or try something new. Its versatility makes it a great addition to your benefits, make it a fantastic alternative to dairy milk. Give it a try and enjoy the delicious taste and benefits of almond milk.